my people feel. I know how my people feel.
Yeah.
And when I got addicted to it,
Yeah.
I needed it.
The right to bear arms, Psalms on the arms of my niggas. Palms up, let us pray, making thicker. Forgiveness, blood and oil, which one is thicker? It's water under the bridge, bigger cribs, gentrified where we used to live. We insist on being apart, not apart from the prophets. Let me start. Sparks from the Draco, make you niggas lay low. You really not a boss till you accountable for payroll. Provisions for the jackals, castles for our mothers. You punk motherfuckers cannot exist among us. Cause I can do my numbers in Rancho Cucamonga. Amongst the whoremongers, then I'm back before the summer. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, avalanche, black Blanche Devereaux's dance with the debonair. Nigga, take a glance. Fuck a olive branch, you niggas owe me. You niggas know me. First and foremost, no second place trophies. Established like a nigga supposed to be. No grass stained monarchs, no pair of Oakleys. Cribs surrounded by oak trees, older neighbors who got kids my age, a box of golden sabers, infrared lasers. I'm in it for life, married to this paper. About to pull a caper. It's major. Yeah.
Success is not doing extraordinary things. Success is doing ordinary things extraordinarily well. So if you just learn to do it well, key things well, learn to speak well. Poor people can talk and rich people can talk. It looks like rich people talk better. Learning to speak is called survival. Learning to speak well is called success.
It's organic, man. It's natural. I mean, I'm not forcing any of this. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's the beautiful thing about the space that I've been in for the last 10 years or so. I'm just going in the studio being honest. I'm just going in the studio I'm saying what comes to mind. I'm letting the production and I'm letting the mood and I'm letting life, I'm letting things just navigate where I go. And I just happen to have a God-given talent that just falls in spaces. It's nothing that it's not like a surplus or a reservoir that I'm pulling from. This is just me. You know what I'm saying? Like it's a natural communication. It's a natural, connection, from thoughts and emotions to what you hear.